I hope that you are having a great day. So today I wanted to share with you something special that I received in the mail. Super excited to get this huge white box from Blank Canvas in the mail for our PAC. It had the logo on there. Wasn't for sure at first what this Blank Canvas order that I was receiving, what in the world it was. But it came with our PAC logo and I knew exactly what it was. It was kind of like just a welcome box to our Presidential Advisory Council for this 2022-2023 season. So I vowed to myself this PAC season, this is serving my third term on PAC, I vowed that I wanted to intentionally share this PAC journey with all of you, especially my customers, my VIPs, my hostesses, my gift club members, because y'all are the reason that I am on this council. So it's called our Presidential Advisory Council. It's the top 6 in the entire United States in 4 different recognition categories. So personal volume, which is sales, which is the category that I earned this year. PACs, which is personally enrolled, qualified, and active consultants. So basically what that is new consultants joining your team, and then they qualify with their first $1,000 in sales, however many of those that you have. So if you're in the top of the company for qualifying new consultants, then you can earn a spot on PAC. The second way is by developing directors and earning your bonuses. And then the fourth way is by team volume. So this year I earned for personal volume. The last 2 years I've earned in 2 categories, personal volume and PACs. So I am striving to earn for PACs again this year as well as personal volume. So we just had our trip to Nashville back in August. My days are running together. September, and it was so fun. We had an amazing trip. I'll link that video above where I shared all about that trip, but this was actually a complete surprise. So I got this the other day, and so I could not wait to share it with you. So it's very large. You know when something is large when I record the video upstairs in my home. I actually do have a better background up here. Maybe I should start recording my videos up here. But anyways, so let's open this. I have already opened this, but I'm just kind of doing an unboxing for you. You know, we say unboxing, even though I've actually already unboxed it because it makes it a little easier in video. So this was all wrapped up so beautiful, so pretty, so many paper shreds. I don't know, like these are just party. This just reminds me of party and fun. I love these little paper shreds. So let's get into it. So this is a little card here that says, congratulations, PAC. Welcome to PAC. We recognize that you've worked hard to get here, and we're incredibly thankful for everything you do as a leader. You are a role model to us and to so many others, and we're excited to help you shape the future of your business with 31 and our family. Throughout your term, you'll represent our entire sales field, and we'll seek your valuable feedback on new products, marketing tools, sales incentives, and so much more. We want to hear your opinion, and thoughts are always highly respected. We can't wait to flourish in this role. We can't wait for you to flourish in this role. Love, Libby. So she is our CEO. CEO. Oh, it's right here. She's our Chief Field Officer. I'm sorry. So I did get this PAC or this plaque here. It says, this is to proudly present Andrea Carver in recognition of this amazing accomplishment, and it's signed by Cindy Monroe, our CEO, which is 𝗀𝗄𝗆, and then Libby, who is our Chief Field Officer. So this is something I can put in my office. Next, when I open this up, I have this vest here. So this is like a fleece vest with our PAC logo on here. So love this. It's so pretty. I love that PAC logo. And that PAC logo is kind of like that Tiffany blue, if you guys know that Tiffany blue. So we also received a logo of, it's hard to see the PAC logo on this, but it's on there. And then this is blue and white M&Ms. So in my VIP group, I'm going to be doing a guessing game to see how many M&Ms are in here. So today when my daughter gets home from school, we're going to be sorting and counting, and we're going to do a guessing game with those in my VIP group. Another thing that I thought was really great, loved this, was in this little box, there is pull it out here, a power pack, a little power pack to charge your phone, a little portable charger. And I love this because it is really lightweight. So it has our PAC logo on there. So super excited about that. Also, something that I think is a great gift. We used to have this in our everyday collection. This was the Close to Home Table Gallery. But we have, they sent this to us, the Close to Home Table Gallery that says PAC 2023. And then I just think this, I don't really quite know what my love language is. If it's gifts, if it's words of affirmation, but like thoughtfulness, what does that fall under? But they sent us these photo tiles to go in here. And so this was a photo tile of me on stage being recognized for earning PAC at our conference. So we have Cindy Monroe, who is right here, and then Camille Kent, which is our CEO, and then me there in the middle. And then we also have a little photo insert tile with our PAC logo. So these actually will fit inside of the Close to Home. The little Close to Home gallery. So this is a great display for my office, and just to remind me that, you know, hard work does pay off. If you do little things consistently every day, it will pay off. So love that. And then also our last little thing in here, which is really fun, a little black box. Everybody loves a little black box. So when you open this up, you have our PAC logo, little wine glasses here. So love these with our PAC logo, and then also a little Swiss Force knife here with our PAC logo on that as well. So you've got the little corkscrew on here to open up a bottle of wine, a bottle opener, and then I can see the light is bright, and a little knife. My husband said to slice your cheese. I'm like, oh, well, okay. So anyways, I thought that was really cute. So the little PAC logo. So this will be great to keep in this little set. So I thought this was so thoughtful. Loved it. And it's always fun to get something in the mail, right? Especially gifts. And something that's a complete surprise. So just wanted to bring you on this journey with me, and just to say thank you for allowing me to live my dreams, basically. I am a work-at-home mom. My business has allowed me to, I left my corporate job 4 years ago, which is so crazy to me. In 2018, I never dreamed that I would be able to do that. And when we took that step, I was like, I am not failing. I am not failing. And so I just continue to grow day after day, month after month, year after year. And it's just to be consistent in my business. Share the Proverbs 31 mission with every person that I come in contact, and celebrate and encourage women along the way. So thank you again so much for tuning in and for helping me along this journey. So like I said, I'm on a mission to share this journey with you this year, and I'd love to know what you think about all the goodies that I received. So thank you so much. Hope you have a great day. Bye.